You're watching Tammy B. Jones, where if you don't want to buy it, then just DIY it with your home Inspire. Hi guys, are you looking for something to stuff your bar cart with for Valentine's Day? Well, check out Sandara. It's a box of 4 different wines. They are blended with white rose, red, sangria. Very delicious wines, very sweet if you are a sweet type drinker. Delicious, beautifully packaged, come in a set of 4, and you guys, these are affordable. It's $20 a box, and you can get them at Costco. What a great savings. This box was gifted to me by my sister, and also it has a twist off top. So if you don't have a corkscrew and you don't want to deal with the corkscrew, that's a big plus. Also, I was told that they're doing away with corkscrews pretty soon because it's been spoiling the wine or something like that, per my sister. But anyway, my sister gifted this to me. Her and her husband are a big fan of it. And I just wanted to share with you because Valentine's Day is coming up, and all you ladies that love dressing up your bar cart, this is an affordable way to do it. So I just wanted to share that with you. So thanks guys for watching, and hope you try it. I absolutely liked it. It's got a juicy fruity flavor in the sangria and in the red as well. Kind of give me, if you like Moscato, you'll love this. Love you guys. Bye.